तुम परिंदों से ज्यादा तो नहीं हो आजाद, शाम होने को है, अब घर की तरफ लौट चलो। एक ऐसा घर जो आपका सपना हो और ऐसे ही सपनों को साकार करता है एस डिवाइनो। Ace Divino, where thousands of wishes to have a dream home are fulfilled. As cities grow, so does the demand for housing. There has been a decrease in sales in the real estate field in the last few years. In spite of that, by going against all odds, we have always completed projects that did not only win the trust of customers, but also gave a smile on their faces. Ace is a brand that exemplifies good quality budget housing. The kind of brand where people are seen working together on shared ambitions. And today, we congratulate all our partners, investors, stakeholders and customers for being a part of this wonderful project. Without your trust and vision, it could not have been possible. We don't just build houses, we build dreams. And in building those dreams, you have played a very important role. High standards of quality, constant belief in innovation in building techniques of the world, and state-of-the-art construction methods prove our dedication towards better housing. Ace is the name which has a brilliant rapport among peers and is a real estate heavyweight in Noida. It is a name taken with respect and has credibility in corporate practices. A name that has always taken steps to build a great relationship, and for customers, we have created a community that brings together three things: creativity, trust, and world-class infrastructure. Our efforts to raise the quality standards further with each of our projects have always been successful, and even this effort will be more successful than expected. With this confidence, we are working wholeheartedly to complete this project as soon as possible. This group has always offered all our expertise to our employees so that they can develop their skills, their well-being at work, professional equality.
When we started this project, it was a very difficult project to sell because of our location. But then we pulled up our socks, and with the help and guidance of Mr. Rahul Gupta, who is the Chanakya of marketing in Noida, I personally feel there is nobody who can compete with him when it comes to marketing strategies. He planned and designed our strategy in such a way that it became a very simple task for us, so that we were able to achieve the target.
After the close of the more than 500 units, I feel very proud and a part of the Ace group. And now अब मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा कि 500 नंबर बहुत बड़ा टास्क नहीं था, एंड बहुत ही अच्छा फील तो हो रहा कि हमने सक्सेसफुली 500 यूनिट्स को हमने सोल्ड आउट किया है।
एक्चुअली अभी हम पूरा फील नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमको पूरी 1500 यूनिट सोल्ड आउट करनी है 1.5 साल के अंदर। जो हमने अभी 500 यूनिट के बस हमने एक छोटा सा अचीवमेंट हमने किया है, जिससे कि हम थोड़ा सा हैप्पी हो सकते हैं अपने वर्क को लेकर। लेकिन हमारा जो टास्क है, जो हमारा टारगेट है, वो 1500 फ्लैट्स है डिविनो पे, वो हमें सोल्ड आउट करना है। जो हमारी प्लानिंग्स है वो हमारे मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू है, जो हमारा पूरा मैनेजमेंट हमको करता है। हमारा मैनेजमेंट हमको सिखाता है हमको कैसे वर्किंग करनी है, कैसे लाइफस्टाइल करनी है, कैसे हमें अपनी सेल आउट करनी है, कैसे हमें पूरा गोल हमारा सेट है, हमको विदिन 3 years, विदिन 4 years हमको कैसे पूरा का पूरा डिविनो सॉर्ट आउट करना है।
As you all may remember that we launched a campaign in January, #StressFreeHomes at Ace Divino. We are thanking each and every individual who participated and put in their efforts to make this event a mega success by achieving 500 units in Ace Divino. This is a very big and proud achievement for all of us.